Hi, Ayan. Today I'm going to teach you your 1, 2 and 3 times table. Are you ready? 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 1 is 3. 4 times 1 is 4. 5 times 1 is 5. 6 times 1 is 6. 7 times 1 is 7. 8 times 1 is 8. 9 times 1 is 9. And 10 times 1 is 10. Easy, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's now do the 2 times table. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 2 is 6. 4 times 2 is 8. 5 times 2 is 10. 6 times 2 is 12. 7 times 2 is 14. 8 times 2 is 16. 9 times 2 is 18. And 10 times 2 is 20. Easy, right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. And this was really easy. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's do the 3 times table. 1 times 3 is actually this added to this. So what's 1 plus 2? It's 3. What's 2 times 3? It's easy. It's this 2 added to this 4. It's 6. 3 times 3. Well, that's easy. You know 3 times 2 is 6. And 3 times 1 is 3. Just add the 3 and the 6. 9. 4 times 3. Again, easy peasy. Add the 4 and the 8. 12. 5 times 3. Easy. 10 plus 5. 15. 6 times 3. Easy again. 12 plus 6. 18. 7 times 3. What do you think that's going to be? It's going to be 14 plus 7. So 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 8 times 3. Well, that's just 16 plus 8. So what do you think that's going to be? That's going to be 24. 9 times 3 is 18 plus 9 is 27. And 10 times 3 is easy, is 20 plus 10. That's one way of remembering it. Now, you could simply just add 3 all the way along. Sometimes it's just easier to add 3, isn't it? Because 21 plus 3 is easy, and 24 plus 3 is easy, and 27 plus 3 is easy. Let me show you another way that you could do this. You could draw a little grid like this with 9 squares in it and 1 sticking out here. And then what you could do, you could start at the bottom, or start here even. Write a 0 here, and then jump here. And what you do, you go 1, 2, 3. Easy, right? 1, 2, 3. Then 4, 5, 6, and then 7, 8, 9, and that's the 0 for the 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Even you can do this, Ayan. And remember to start with a 0 here. Now what I'm going to do I'm going to do, just remember 0, 1, 2 and 3. So in the first row, I'm going to put 0. And in the second row, I'm going to put 1. And in the next row, this row, I'm going to put 2. And here, think of this as a third row if you want. I'm going to put a 3. So remember, all I did was draw a grid, divide it up into 9 squares, and I wrote 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then I wrote a 0 here. And then I remembered, put a 0 in the first column, a 1 in the next one, in the next row rather, and 2 in the next row, and then 3 here. And look, 1 times 3 is 3, 2 times 3 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 4 times 3 is 12, 5 times 3, 15, 6 times 3 is 18, 7 times 3 is 21, 8 times 3 is 24, 9 times 3 is 27, and 10 times 3 is 30. And remember, if you really wanted to, you could write that 3, 6, 9 again. 3, 6, and 9. And simply just put a 3 in front of it this time. Look, 3, 3, and 3. So what you do, you just start that grid again. That's 11 times 3. That's 12 times 3. And that's 13 times 3. But just stick to this at the beginning, right? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0 in that row, 1 in that row, 2 in that row. Remember to stick a 3 in this one. And if you really want to, you can write that 3, 6, 9 again, 3, 6, 9 again. And this time stick a 3 in front. And if you wanted to carry on, you could just write 2, 5, and 8. 2, 5, and 8. And 1, 4, and 7. And this time, just stick a 4 in front. And here, stick a 5 in front. And if you look, it's the same thing. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But this time I wrote a 3, a 4, and a 5. So I'm just carrying on that grid again. If you look very carefully, look. And as you've guessed, that's 11 times 3, 12 times 3, 13 times 3, 14 times 3, 15 times 3, 16 times 3, 17 times 3, 18 times 3, and 19 times 3. Let's just do that grid again, because I don't want you to forget. So, what are we going to do? Let's find a little blank piece of paper. There you go. So you do your grid. Don't forget that little box. And then you simply write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then a 0. And then you write 0 in that column, a 1 in that one, a 2 in that one, and a 3 here. Look. 1 times 3 is 3, 2 times 3 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 4 times 3 is 12, 5 times 3 is 15, 6 times 3 is 18, 7 times 3 is 21, 8 times 3 is 24, 9 times 3 is 27, and 10 times 3 is 30. Over to you, Ian.